Good morning students, welcome back to online class. Today day 5 class. Yes, which lesson is going on children? Yes, geography part. First lesson is going on, is it? So, India location, relief, location, one day over. Yes, relief, yes, nearly 3 days I took. Yes, drainage. Yes, so the drainage part only we are going to learn today. Okay children? Yes. So, what is mean by drainage? What is mean by drainage? What drainage is a system used for making water. Yes, used for making water into the sea, lake or some other body of water. So, that is called as drainage system. A drainage system is an integrated system. Yes, integrated system of tributaries. What is mean by tributaries? The sub rivers. Okay, so sub rivers and trunk stream and distributaries which collects and drain surface water into the sea. Yes, into the sea, lake or some other body of water. A drainage system, what is the meaning in the sense? It's an integrated system of tributaries and a trunk stream which collects the water. Yes, it's collecting the water and then keeping everything into the sea. Otherwise ocean or lake or some other body of water, otherwise some other water bodies. The total area drained by a river and its tributary is known as drainage basin. Drainage basin. Okay, drainage basin. So, it's given here children. The drainage system of India broadly classified into two. Okay, so what are they in the sense? The Himalayan rivers as well as the peninsular rivers. Okay, the drainage system of India, it's it has divided into two. Okay, Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Okay, so Himalayan rivers, what are they in the sense? Indus. Okay, Indus in the sense in Tamil they used to tell now Sindhu Nadi. Yes, so that's a Indus. Indus river, then Ganga as well as Brahmaputra. So these are the Himalayan rivers. The next one, peninsular rivers. Yes, what are the peninsular rivers? What are the peninsular rivers? Mahanadi. Yes, Mahanadi. Godavari, Krishna, yes, Kaveri, Narmada, Tapti. So these are the peninsular rivers. The rivers, it's divided into two. Yes, divided into two. Himalayan rivers as well as the peninsular rivers. Okay, then Himalayan rivers. Yes, regarding the Himalayan rivers, I am going to explain first to children. The next one, this one. Okay, yes, peninsular rivers. Yes, first one regarding the Himalayan rivers. So these rivers are found in, so where it is situated, where it is located in the sense in the northern part of India, in the North India. Yes, mainly these rivers, yes, the Himalayan rivers originating from the Himalayan mountain. Yes, so they are called Himalayan rivers. So what is the nature of these rivers in the sense? Perennial rivers. They are perennial. Throughout the year, water will be there. Yes, throughout the year water will be there. That's called as perennial rivers. The first river, Indus river system. Indus river system. So here what is given in the sense, this is the largest river of the world, like that it is given. It's one of the which river? Sindhu Nadi, otherwise called as Indus river, is one of the largest river of the world. So where it is originated? Yes, where it is originated? From the Kailash range. Yes, from the Kailash range. Yes, Kailash range, where it is located in the sense, it is located in Tibet near Mansarovar. Yes, Mansarovar lake. Yes, at an elevation of, elevation in the sense height. Yes, height. Yes, 5,150 meter height. Yes, from that only it is originating. Which river? Indus river. Yes, mainly what are the things we should know in the sense Indus river, it's originating from the Kailash range in Tibet near Mansarovar. So that much we should understand. The length, yes, the length, total length of this river 2,880 kilometer, but only 709 kilometer only in India. Yes, only 709 kilometer it is in India. Yes. Then the river, has a total drainage area extending, 11,65,500 square kilometer. It's in India is 3,21,289 square kilometer areas are drained in India. Only it is in India. Yes, this much only 3,21,289 square kilometer only it is in India, like that they are telling. Moreover, this river, this Indus river flows throughout the Ladakh range as well as the Saskar ranges. Okay, so this river, it flows through the Ladakh as well as Saskar range. Yes, So moreover it creates a deep gorges. Yes, I will tell the meaning, children. Yes, everything I will tell is you have to wait, children. Yes, so gorges, what is the meaning in the sense? A narrow valley, yes, with steep slopes. Yes, with steep slopes. Yes, that's the meaning, is a narrow valley with steep slopes. Okay. Yes, that's the meaning of gorges. The river, this river, the Indus River runs through Jammu Kashmir. Yes, Jammu Kashmir. Then turns near the Chillar. Yes, Chillar district and enters into Pakistan. Yes, then what are the tributaries of the Indus River in the sense? Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. These 5 rivers, flowing throughout the Punjab area. Okay, 5 rivers. Yes, a 5 river land in the sense, a land of 5 rivers. Which one? Punjab. Okay, what are the rivers are flowing? Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. Okay, so these are the tributaries of river Indus. Okay, so then finally it enters into the Arabian Sea. So with the help of the map, I am telling children here. Okay, this one, this, which one? Indus River. Yes, Indus River, it is originating from here, Mount Kailash. Afterwards, it is moving towards Jammu Kashmir. It flows here. Then finally, it turns its direction towards Chillar, is near Pakistan. Finally, it flows through here. Yes, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. So these are the tributaries of river Indus. Then finally, it merged with the Arabian Sea. Do you understand? Yes. The next one, the next river, this is one of the Himalayan river, like that I said, children. Okay, Indus River, otherwise Sindhu Nadi, it's the largest river of the world, like that they are given. Okay, moreover, it originates in the Kailash range. Okay, Kailash range only it originates. It flows throughout the Jammu Kashmir, like that I said, I think so. Yes. Then the river flows through Ladakh as well as Saskar range. Yes, where is the Ladakh as well as Saskar range? I am telling. This is the Ladakh range, children. This is the, this is Ladakh. This is Saskar. Okay, throughout this region, it flows. Then it turns its direction. It turns its direction near Chillar and enters into Pakistan. Yes, what are the tributaries? Jhelum, Chenab, yes, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. Yes, Beas is here. Okay, so these are the tributaries of river Indus. Finally, it enters into Arabian Sea. Clear? Yes, the next one. Yes, the next one, the next one also the same thing only. Yes, Indus River, regarding Indus River, this is the Kailash range. Okay, so from the Kailash it is originating. It enters into Jammu Kashmir. Then it turns its direction towards, Chillar in Pakistan. Then finally, it is moving towards Arabian Sea. Okay, that's all. Okay, the next one is Ganga. Yes, Ganga river system. Ganga river system is the largest drainage system of India. Yes, drainage system of India. What is meant by drainage? Just before only I told, it's an integrated system of tributaries. Tributaries in the sense sub-rivers and trunk streams. Okay, small streams collects the water and join into the sea. Drains in the sense join into the, merged into the sea water, otherwise lake water or some other water bodies. So that is the meaning of drainage. Okay, so Ganga river system is the largest drainage system of India. Okay, so how much square kilometer? You can read, children. 8,061,404 square kilometer. Okay, so here this is the densely populated area. Densely, what is the meaning in the sense? A thickly populated region. Okay, which region? Ganga plain. Plain in the sense flat lands. Okay, populated place in India, and many towns also developed on the banks of the river. Yes, Kasi, Haridwar, yes, those many towns, yes, many towns, developed on the banks of this Ganga river. Yes, the Ganga river, from where it originates in the sense, from where it started its place, it's a journey in the sense from Gangotri glacier. Yes, in the name of Bhagirathi, in the name of Bhagirathi. Okay, see Bhagirathi. Yes, in the name of Bhagirathi. Here it's given as Bhagirathi. Okay, from the Gangotri glacier. Is Gangotri glacier where it is located in the sense? Uttargasi district of Uttarakhand state. Uttarakhand state at an elevation of 7,010 meter. Okay, so regarding the Ganga Ganga river we are learning, children. So this is the area. In the map also I am showing, children, the Gangotri glacier. From the Gangotri glacier, it is from the Himalayan mountain. Okay, in the Gangotri glacier it is originating. This is the Ganga river. It flows throughout Uttar Pradesh. This is Uttar Pradesh. This is Bihar. Yes, finally, that starting place, that is starting place in the sense Gangotri glacier, no, in the name of Bhagirathi it started, okay, and moves towards Bangladesh. Finally it enters as well as merged with the Brahmaputra river. Yes, afterwards it is mixing with the Bay of Bengal. Okay, yes, so these are the things, children. The next map also I am showing regarding the Ganga map only. This one you couldn't see, I think so. It's very small, children. Okay, so the Ganga, see from the Gangotri glacier, yes, sources of Ganga like that it mentioned here. Sources of Ganga from here, from the top of the Himalayan mountain, it creates and flows throughout Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, yes, and then enters into Bangladesh. Okay, yes, when it is entering into Bangladesh, here it is given. Okay, in your book it is given, children, you can check it. The tributaries, okay, when it is entering into the Bangladesh, it is known as Batma river, Batma. Yes, then what are the tributaries of Ganga? In the sense here it is given, I think so, Gomti, Gagra, Gandak, Kosi. Yes, so these are the tributaries. Then Yamuna also one of the largest tributary. Yes, largest tributary, San, Chambal. So these are the rivers also tributaries of Ganga. Yes, the river, just before I told, when it is entering into Bangladesh, it is called as Batma, river Batma. Okay, then Ganga as well as Brahmaputra river, creates the world's largest delta. What is the name of the delta? Sundarban delta, Sundarban's delta. Okay, so here it is given, children. Okay, Ganga river as well as Brahmaputra river joining and then creates the delta, world's largest delta known as Sundarbans. So Sundarbans, where it is located? It is located in the West Bengal region. Okay, yes, before joining into the Bay of Bengal. So before joining, in the sense, here it is given, children. So here this area, with the help of this map, you can easily understand. With the help of this map. Yes, with the help of this map you can easily understand. So this is the Ganga river. Yes, Ganga, it is coming from here. Yes, Brahmaputra river, from here it started, Tibet area. Okay, it is entering and then both rivers are joining in the Bangladesh area. Finally, it is entering into Bay of Bengal. Yes, so that only it is given here. Yes, so here it is given, children. Okay, before joining into the Bay of Bengal, it creates the largest delta, that is the Sundarbans in Bangladesh. Okay. The next one, that Ganga river, yes, it is given in your picture, that book also, children. Ganga river, Haridwar. Yes, a large number of towns developed along the banks of the river Ganga, like that I said, no. So one of the town, Haridwar. Okay, the next one, the Brahmaputra river system. So this river, from where it originates, in the sense, from where it is originated, in the sense, Chemayangdung glacier. From the Chemayangdung glacier, it is originating. Okay, it is located in the Kailash range to the east of the Lake Mansarovar. It is in Tibet area. Okay, so total area also it's given, children, 5080 square kilometer. Yes, but the drainage area found in India only 1 lakh. Total amount, 5 lakhs 80,000 square kilometer. But in India only 1,94,413 square kilometer is there. The river, this river, Brahmaputra river, in Tibet area, how they are calling, in the sense, Sangpo, like that they are calling. Sangpo, in the sense, what is the meaning? Purifier. Yes, Sangpo, what is the meaning? Purifier. Yes, purifier. Moreover, this river, this river enters into India through a gorge in Arunachal Pradesh, namely Digong. Picture is available, children. You can check it, that picture. The map also I will show. Okay, so when it is entering into Arunachal Pradesh, yes, through a gorge only. Yes, through a gorge it is entering. Yes, gorge. Yes. Then here, it has many tributaries. So what are the tributaries are there, in the sense, that Tista. Yes, what are the tributaries are there? Tista, Manas, Barak. Yes, Subansri. Yes, so these are the tributaries of Brahmaputra river. Yes, Brahmaputra river. The next one, this river is called as Jamuna in Bangladesh. Yes, how they are calling in Bangladesh? Yes, Jamuna, not Yamuna, Jamuna. Okay, Brahmaputra river is called as Jamuna in Bangladesh. Okay, after it joining with the river Ganga in Bangladesh, the river is called as Meghna. Yes, Meghna river, like that they are calling. Which river? Brahmaputra river is called as Meghna when it is joining with the river Ganga in Bangladesh. Okay, yes, so these are the things are there, children. The next one, this is the Brahmaputra river course, from where it is started. In the sense, this is the starting place of Brahmaputra. This blue color indicates the river, children. Okay, so when it is entering into Arunachal Pradesh, yes, through Arunachal Pradesh it is entering, then finally it is that it is giving the water Assam to Assam, Meghalaya, then finally it is entering into Bangladesh. In that area only, in Bangladesh only, it is merging with the Ganga river. Yes, Ganga river. Finally it is merging with the, otherwise joining with the Bay of Bengal. Yes, so after joining with the river Ganga, in Bangladesh, this river is called as Meghna, like that. Just before only I said, children. Okay, then this is the Brahmaputra river. Once again, another map. Yes, so this is the starting place. Okay, starting place where it is located, where Chamaendung. Yes, Chamaendung glacier, like that I said, of the Kailash range. Yes, this is the Kailash range, children. Okay, Kailash range. From here only it started. Then this is the Tibet area. Tibet area, how they were calling in the sense, Sangpo, purifier, like that. Afterwards it is entering through the gorges. Yes, gorges of Arunachal Pradesh. That area only Digang gorge, like that they are telling. Okay, I will show in the map. Yes, afterwards it is entering into Bangladesh. Okay, this is Assam, Meghalaya region. Okay, so it is entering into Bangladesh. Okay, so that time only, here, yeah, it is entering into Bangladesh. That time here, which river is coming? Yes, which river is coming, children? Yes, Ganga water. Yes, so it is mixing with that. Okay, in this area it is called as Meghna. Okay, so these are the things. The next one, this is the Digang Gorge. Okay, Digang. Yes, so through this area only, that Brahmaputra river entering into India. Yes, entering into India. Yes, so this is the thing. The next one, this is this one also the same only that through that the Digang valley it is entering into India. Which river? Brahmaputra river. Okay, it is entering into India. Yes, this is the thing. Okay, the next one, what are the characteristics of the Himalayan rivers? What are the characteristics in the sense? Long and wide rivers. Okay, long and wide rivers. Moreover, perennial in nature. Perennial in the sense, that throughout the year water will be there because from the melting of snow, it is from the mountain, Himalayan mountain only it is originating, these rivers. So that's what, perennial in nature. Moreover, unsuitable for hydroelectric generation. Yes, we cannot take any electricity power, we cannot generate from that rivers. Okay, then last one, middle and lower courses are also are navigable. Yes, middle as well as lower courses are navigable. Navigable meaning boats and all can sail. Yes, along that, boats can sail. So that is the meaning of that. Okay, navigable. Okay, children. Yes. The next one. Yes. Then gorges. I did not tell the meaning, children. Gorge meaning a narrow valley with steep slopes. Yes, I told, I think so, when I was telling Indus River. Gorges in the sense a narrow valley with steep slopes. Okay, that's a meaning. Okay, the next what is given in the sense, that regarding the peninsular rivers. Yes, peninsular rivers. Peninsular rivers, where it is located? It's located in the southern part of India. Yes, what are the rivers are there in the sense? Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, yes, Narmada, Tapti. Yes, these are the rivers are called as peninsular rivers. Okay, so the peninsular rivers, mainly from where it is originating, in the sense mainly these rivers are originating from the Western Ghats. Yes, Western Ghats. So these are the non-perennial rivers because it is depending upon the rainfall. It's depending upon the rainfall. That's what, non-perennial nature. Okay, they have a large seasonal fluctuation in volume of water as they are solely fed by rain. So because it is depending upon the rainfall. Okay, so based on the direction of the flow, the peninsular rivers are divided into two. Okay, west flowing rivers and east flowing rivers. Yes, based on the direction of flow. Okay, based on the, then already I told when I was teaching peninsular plateau, it slopes eastwards like that. Peninsular plateau slopes eastwards. So majority of the rivers, flows towards the east. Flows towards the east in the sense it's mixing with the Bay of Bengal. One or two rivers only flowing towards the Arabian Sea. Okay, it's merging its water into the Arabian Sea. Okay, so that's the thing. West flowing rivers and east flowing rivers. The next one. Yes, the next one, this, this is the peninsular rivers, children. So, peninsular, I am drawing here. Okay, this is the peninsular plateau. Okay, peninsular plateau. So, Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. So, these are the peninsular rivers. Okay, so other rivers and all here, so these are the rivers and all considered as a Himalayan rivers. Himalayan rivers. So, the next one, and the first one, east flowing rivers. Yes, east flowing rivers, what are they? Yes, eastern side, Mahanadi. Yes, so once we can check the map, children. Eastern side, see, this is the eastern side, west, this is west, this is east. East flowing rivers, see, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Regarding these four only, it is given here. Okay, so the Mahanadi river, what about Mahanadi river in the sense it's originating, yes, otherwise starting near Shigeva, yes, Shigava in Raipur district of Chhattisgarh, yes, Chhattisgarh, and it flows towards, Odisha area, flows throughout Odisha, yes, Odisha area. Its length, 851 kilometer, 851 kilometer. Yes, then what are the tributaries? What are the tributaries of Mahanadi? Sionath, Telan, Sandur, and then Ib. Yes, so these are the main tributaries. Then the main stream of Mahanadi gets divided into several distributaries also there. Yes, sub-rivers. Then again, small streams are there. Yes, small rivers are there. Paika, yes, Paika, Birupa, Chittartala, yes, Chengutti, Nan. So these are the distributaries of river Mahanadi. Okay, so here, this point is very important, children. These tributaries, these all distributaries, distributary in the sense, small rivers, small rivers, forms the delta, yes, the delta of Mahanadi. This is considered as one of the largest delta in India. Which delta? Mahanadi delta. Yes, so Mahanadi empties its water, empties in the sense it's merged, it's join with the Bay of Bengal. Yes, the next one, Godavari. Yes, Godavari, how, what type of the river in the sense? Longest river. Yes, longest river. Yes, how much kilometer it extended? 1465 kilometer, it extended. Yes, so that's a thing, children. Then it is otherwise called as Virudha Ganga. Yes, Virudha Ganga, one word answer. Okay, Godavari otherwise called as Virudha Ganga. So where it originates in the sense, it is originated in the Nasik district of Maharashtra. Okay, so this is the location, children. This is the southern part of India. Yes, these are the rivers are called as peninsular rivers. Just before I drawn, children, this is Narmada river, Narmada, Tapti. Yes, this is Godavari. Yes, Godavari, from where to where we have to mark in the sense, children. Yes, from the U-shape bend. See here one U-shape bend is there, no? Yes, U-shape. From that, Godavari have to mark. From the V-shape bend, we have to mark the Krishna river. Yes, from the V-shape bend, we have to mark the Krishna river. This is Mahanadi. Just before only, yes, I completed that one. Yes, Mahanadi river. Yes, now I am telling about the Godavari river. Godavari is the longest river. Yes, Godavari is the longest river, like that they are telling. Moreover, it is otherwise called as Virudha Ganga. Virudha Ganga. Yes, then where it is originated? It is originated in the Nasik district of Maharashtra. Okay, it's a portion of Western Ghats. Okay, so Western Ghats area only it is originating. Okay, so it flows through the states of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, yes, before joining into the Bay of Bengal. So before joining into the Bay of Bengal, what are the states are getting the benefit in the sense? Telanggana as well as Andhra Pradesh. Yes, then some tributaries are there. What are the tributaries? Purna, yes, Penganga, yes, Pranita, Indravadi, yes, Dal and Salami. So these are the tributaries are there in the Godavari, for Godavari river. Yes, then this Godavari river, near Rajamundri in the sense Andhra Pradesh area, gets divided into two channels called as Vashishta. Yes, Vashishta as well as Gautami. Vashishta as well as Gautami. Yes, and forms one of the largest delta in India. Yes, Koleru Lake. Yes, Koleru Lake, where it is located? Yes, it is located here, children. It's a deltaic area. Yes, Koleru Lake. Okay, Koleru Lake. It's a freshwater lake, is located in the deltaic region of Godavari. Okay, so the next one, Krishna River. Yes, this and all I told the children. The Krishna River. The Krishna River, what are the things are there in the sense? From where it is originating in the sense, from that, Mahabaleshwar. Yes, the Mahabaleshwar, where it is located? It is located in Maharashtra. Yes, it is located in Maharashtra region. Length it is given is 1400 kilometer. Yes, so what are the tributaries are there for Krishna River in the sense? Bhima, Pedavaku, Musi, Koina, Tungabhadra. So these are the tributaries. The tributaries in the sense sub-rivers. Okay, small rivers. It also flows through Andhra Pradesh and join in Bay of Bengal at Hamsala Devi. Yes, Hamsala Devi. Yes, in that place only it's joining with the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so this much only. The Krishna location also, this one is located in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so the next one is Kaveri River. Yes, Kaveri, from where it is originating, the sense in the lower classes itself we might have learned, I think so. Yes, at Kudahu Hills. Yes, Kudahu Hills. At Kudagu Hills of Karnataka. Okay, originates at Talakaveri. Yes, originates at Talakaveri. Where it originates actually in the sense Kudagu Hills at Kudagu Hills of Karnataka. Okay. Yes, so total length, length of this river 800 kilometer. This river Kaveri is called as Dakshin Ganga. Yes, Ganga of south, like that they were calling this river. Okay, so they were calling this river as Dakshina Ganga. Dakshin Ganga. One word answer, children. Okay, so here in Karnataka region, the river, bifurcate twice. Bifurcate in the sense separate. Okay, bifurcate, what is the meaning? Separate. Bifurcate, you can write the meaning, children. Separate twice, 2 times it's separated. Okay, then forming the sacred islands of Srirangapattanam as well as Sivasamutram. One word answer, children. It's forming 2 islands, sacred islands, Srirangapattanam as well as Sivasamutram. Yes, while entering into Tamil Nadu, is the Kaveri, continues through a series of twisted wild gorges. Gorges, I told, steep slopes like that I told, is it? Until it reaches Hogenakkal Falls and flows through a straight narrow gorge near Salem. Okay, so the Kaveri River, breaks at Srirangam Island with the 2 channels. Yes, a river, yes, Kolarone. Yes, a river Kolarone as well as Kaveri. Yes, at last, it merged into the Bay of Bengal at Pumbugar. Yes, it joins with the Bay of Bengal at Pumbugar. Okay, so these are the things are given. Kaveri, it's very interesting, children. It's originating at Talakaveri, Kudagu Hills of Karnataka region. Total length, 800 kilometer. 800 kilometer. Yes, so it creates 2 islands, Sivasamutram as well as Srirangam. Yes, in Karnataka, the river bifurcate in the sense separate twice. Okay, so these things are all I told. The next one, the west flowing river. Yes, west flowing river. Yes, west flowing rivers. So this is Mahanadi river, children. This is Mahanadi. East flowing rivers I am showing. This is Mahanadi river. The next one, this is Godavari. Yes, Godavari river in Maharashtra. Okay, so this is about the Krishna river. Yes, this is the Krishna river. Yes, so this is Kaveri river. Yes, Kaveri river. Okay. Then next one, the next one is it is that west flowing rivers. East flowing just before only over. Yes, west flowing rivers, only 2 rivers are there, Narmada as well as Tapti. So the Narmada river is from where it originates in the Amarkandak plateau in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Madhi is the central part of India. Yes, from there only this river, rises, originates. Okay, so kilometer length, everything, you people learn, children. Okay, so finally it is entering into the Arabian Sea through Gulf of Gambia. Yes, this one is the largest among the west flowing river. Among the west flowing river, this river is considered as the largest one. Yes, so what are the tributaries are there in the sense, that yes, Barkaner. Yes, Barkaner, Heran, Bancher, yes, Dutki, Shakar, Tava, Barna, Kolar. So these are the tributaries of river Narmada. Okay, so the Narmada's location I am showing, this is Narmada river. Yes, already I taught you people, Narmada river only divides that peninsular plateau into two unequal parts, like that I told. The northern part of the peninsular plateau is called as Central Highlands, southern part of that peninsular plateau is called as Deccan plateau, like that I told, I think so. Is it? This is Narmada's location. This is Narmada, this is Tapti. Sorry. The next one, the last one, Tapti river. This river, that how much kilometer lengthy, in the sense 724 kilometer is 724 kilometer. Okay, so from where it is originated, in the sense yes, multi-tank in the Betul district of Madhya Pradesh, the same state only. This also originating, Narmada as well as Tapti river originating from the Madhya Pradesh area at an elevation of about 752 meter. Okay, so it is only the three rivers in peninsular India that run from east to west. Okay, the others and all, the others being the Narmada as well as Mahi river. Okay, so what are the tributaries are there? What are the tributaries are there, in the sense Vaki, Vaki, Komai, Arunavadi, Aner, Nesu, Burai, Manchura, Bori. So these are the other tributaries. This one, it's joining, this river also like Narmada river, it's joining into Arabian Sea through the Gulf of Gambay. Gulf of Gambay. The next one, that one small blue color box is given, children. You can write the answer. In which river the Jog Fall is found? Jog Falls, Sharavati river, on the Sharavati, spelling SHARAVATH river, Sharavati. This is the answer. Okay, in which river the Jog Fall is found? Sharavati. Yes, Sharavati river. Sharavati river. Otherwise, river Sharavati, like that you have to write. River Sharavati. The next one, what are the characteristics of the South Indian rivers? South Indian rivers, so peninsular rivers. What are the characteristics? You people knows very well. It's originating from the Western Ghats. Western Ghats. Then short and narrow. Because it's depending upon the rainfall. Short and narrow rivers, non-perennial in nature. It's depending upon the rainfall. No, that's what non-perennial. Some days, some months water will be there, some months there will be no water, such a way. So the next one, suitable for the hydroelectric power generation. Okay, hydropower generation. Okay, from this, they are producing the electricity. The last one, not useful for the navigation. They did not use for the navigational purposes. So because it's not perennial in nature now. So that's a thing. Okay, so this much only, children, the lesson over. Okay, that in the interactive session, I will make you to mark everything. Okay, children. Thank you, children.